What could be the best way to manage your projects efficiently? Focus on the 20% of the causes which lead to 80% of the problems. Most project managers spend energy on minor issues, endless meetings, tiny bugs, constant updates, while the real blocker quietly kills the project. Here is a real example. In a software rollout I managed, there were just 3 critical tasks which were delaying the entire project. By tackling them first, we saved weeks of delays and unnecessary chaos. This is the 80-20 idea in action, also called the Pareto principle in project management. A mindset to focus on the few tasks just to create the biggest impact. Spot them early, focus there, and the project starts moving. If your project feels stuck, ask yourself, which few issues are holding things up? Fix those first and the rest usually falls into place. Working smart beats working hard.